Hey all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing about the toddler books. I have this in one of my earlier videos that children get attracted towards board books and they find it really exciting to read on to. It's a way of easy learning. I had introduced these books to Avya when she was 6 months old. So the first book that I introduced Avya was a jungle book. So this is a jungle book and we all have fond memories of this book. So as you can see, there are a lot of pictures and this is a kind of a pop-up plus a board book, so you can see it slides and everything. These are lovely board books that you can introduce to your child at an early age. In this way they will recognize what a book is and they will be keen on learning towards it. So this is a jungle book. Next up is a nursery rhyme. So you can buy a board book like a nursery rhyme book for your children. Next book is ABC book. So this is her ABC book and everything is so colorful and nice. So these are the kind of books that toddlers find really attractive, and they look forward to read their books because learning is fun when books are like these. Also I had bought one of this book. This is an animal pop-up book, so you can see all. I would highly recommend to go for a book like this, any kind of an animal pop-up book, a fruit book, anything. The children find it easy to learn from and learning can be much fun. I read a book to her in the night, that is this 365 Good Night Stories. Now this is not a board book, but I just read this book to her. So you can open this book on any date and you can read date wise. So I read one story to her on a regular basis. So I love this, I really like this book. The thing that I would surely recommend is this set of book. So it has all books. It has transport, wild animals, colors, numbers, fruits, shapes, birds and vegetables. These are small board books. You can see all kind of transports, and these are color books, so you can see all kind of colors. So I would suggest to go for these kind of books. Very small, nice, good manners book. I have got all these books from Amazon. They have awesome collection on books. So I'll be sharing all the details of these books in the link below, so you can directly go and purchase from them. Also, I have these Peppa Pig books for her. She loves reading her Peppa Pig books. I've introduced Peppa to her when she was 1 year old and she loves these books. In this way, you can introduce books to them. So I always feel that learning can be fun if you try to make it fun for your children, and these board books are a great way to introduce books to your children. If we hand over them the normal boring black and white books, they're not going to find it attractive and they're going to be not interested in reading at all. These board books are a great way to introduce books to your children and be friendly with them. Also, I have not introduced a lot of books to Avya at one go because they don't have a big memory to store all these books. When I tell Avya to go and get her ABC book, she knows where her ABC book is. And if I ask her to go and get her Peppa book, she knows where her Peppa book is. Because I have not introduced a lot of books at one go, I have slowly introduced books to her, and also right now she has not more than 6 to 7 books. I have made a particular time to read her to, like in the night I read her, and in the evening she just checks her books out. So it's a very normal thing, and so I hope you can make learning fun for your babies also. I'll be leaving a link to all these books down below so that you can directly purchase it from Amazon. Also guys, if you like this video and you have any suggestions, please leave in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. Soon I'll be coming up with a new video. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.